Hey guys, it's Brandon with Trans Supply here. So wanted to unbox and answer some questions on the 36-inch airport flag with the 50-inch wooden dowel. So here it is right here, and this is the Trans Supply SKU number, and the link below will be for where you can learn more about it, purchase it on our website. So this is the box it would come in. It's a long box here because the dowel is 50 inches long, and we're just gonna empty these guys out here. So this is the dowel first here. You can see both ends. The flag itself comes in a package just like this. Plastic package. Open it up here. So as you can see, you gotta install the dowel yourself. And I'll show you how you can do that. Open this up. This is 36 inches, so you got 3 feet each way. The hole for the dowel opening is right here. If you can see that. So you just want to thread the dowel through. No real trick to this. Just it's a little tight, so you just got to kind of shimmy it in. There we go. And there you go. You got yourself an airport flag with the 50-inch dowel. Yeah, that's pretty much it.